Namaskar students, this is Partha and I am here with the chapter 1 web applications of IT for class 10th. First of all, what is network? It is the interconnected collection of autonomous computers. Two computers are said to be interconnected if they are able to exchange information. An autonomous computer means it is not controlled by another computer. Advantages of networks are it provides the means to exchange data among computers, it permits the sharing of files, software, peripherals, storage, and resources, it supports the critical function of backup, it allows a very flexible working environment. Next is disadvantages of networks. The systems are more sophisticated and complex to run. If networks are badly managed, services can become unusable and productivity falls. File security is more important here. If software and files are held centrally, it may be impossible to carry out any work if the central server fails. And what is more important is we should know that interconnected collection of autonomous computers is called computer network. And there are mainly four types of computer networks. Number one, PAN, personal area network. It is organized around an individual person. It typically involves a mobile computer, a cell phone, and a PDA, personal digital assistant. It generally covers a range of less than 10 meters. Second type of networks is LAN, local area network. It is privately owned network. It is spanning within a single office or building or campus. Data communication is at the rate of 100 Mbps. Next is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It may be either privately or publicly owned network, spanning a physical area larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN, such as a city. Examples of MAN are cable TV networks spread over a city. Suppose you have Tata Sky and in your neighbor also with the same number, suppose 114, you will be able to see the same channel. Next is WAN, wide area network. It is owned by multiple organizations spanning a larger geographical area, often a country or a continent. We can say it is confined within countries and continents. And the first WAN to be designed and developed was ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. The internet is the largest WAN spanning the earth. Examples of WAN are nationwide ATMs used in banking and local telephone exchange. Now we will talk about communication channel or transmission medium. It is a medium of data transmission over a computer network. There are two types of communication channel. Number one, guided media or wired networking technology. It includes cables, तार होती हैं इसमें, जैसे ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल, कोएक्सियल केबल, फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल, इथरनेट केबल. और दूसरा आता है अनगाइडेड मीडिया, दैट इज वायरलेस नेटवर्किंग टेक्नोलॉजी, that is waves through air or water vacuum. These are waves, and it includes microwaves, radio waves, satellite, infrared, laser, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Full form of laser is light amplification by stimulated emission radiation, and full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Now next question is internet. It is a global network of computer networks that enables information to be exchanged. We can say internet stands for international network and it is a global network of computer networks. Now we will learn how does it works, how does internet works, and what are the steps involved while transferring data over internet. In internet, most computers are not connected directly to the internet, rather they are connected to smaller networks which in turn are connected through gateways to the internet backbone. See, at the source computer, see there are two computers. One is source computer and another is destination computer. Source computer is sender and destination computer is receiver. Make it a point. At the source computer, the message can be a file or a document, anything. At the source computer, the message to be sent to another computer is first divided into very small parts called packets. Each packet is given a number serial wise. All these packets are then sent to the address of destination computer. The destination computer receives the packets in random manner. If a packet is lost, or we can say garbled, it is demanded again, means requested again. The packets are reassembled in the order of their number and the original message, we can say any file or document, that is obtained. Next question is, or the topic is protocol or network protocol or communication protocol, any one and the same thing. It is a set of rules for communication among networked devices. In other words, it is an agreement between two communicating parties. टू communicating parties कौन सी है? एक सेंडर है और दूसरा रिसीवर. इसके एग्जांपल्स हैं टीसीपी ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल, आईपी इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल, एफटीपी फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, एचटीटीपी हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, पीपीपी पॉइंट टू पॉइंट प्रोटोकॉल, एसएमटीपी सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, पॉप3 पोस्ट ऑफिस प्रोटोकॉल 3, वीओआईपी ओ विल बी स्मॉलर, वीओआईपी वॉइस ओवर इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल, टेलनेट और रिमोट एक्सेस प्रोटोकॉल, IRC internet relay chat. Now we will discuss about 3 switching techniques, and these 3 switching techniques are circuit, message and packet. See, these are used for transmitting data across networks, and the first one is circuit switching. In this technique, first the computer physically the complete physical connection between two computers is established, and then data are transmitted from the source computer to the destination computer. The important property of this technique is to set up an end-to-end path between computer before any data can be sent. Next is message switching. In this technique, the source computer sends data or the message to the switching office first, which stores the data in its buffer. It then looks for a free link to another switching office and then sends the data to this office. This process is continued until the data are delivered to the destination computers. Packet switching. With message switching, there is no limit on block size. In contrast, packet switching places a tight upper limit on block size. A fixed size of packet which can be transmitted across the network is specified. Another point of its difference from message switching is that data packets are stored on the disk in message switching, whereas in packet switching, all the packets of fixed size are stored in the main memory. See, there are different ways of connecting to internet. Through dial-up connection, see, it includes through dial-up connection, and another is through broadband connection, and another is through wireless connection. We are using internet. Now we will talk about different types of topologies or network topologies, or you can say network layout. In different books it is written network layout also. See, it is the pattern of interconnection of nodes. Nodes means computers connected in networking. It is the pattern of interconnection of nodes in a LAN, local area network. And different types of, there are many types of network topologies. Bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, graph topology, or fully connected topology. But in our course, we have bus, star and ring topology. We will discuss about bus topology. See, there is a cable, and at both the ends of the cable there are two terminators, terminator 1 and terminator 2, or you can say terminator A, terminator B, and that wire is called backbone, and in between there are connectors, and through those connectors computers are attached. One is server, rest others are nodes. It consists of a single length of the transmission medium onto which the various nodes are attached through connectors. It is used in traditional data communication network. Next is star topology. See, it consists of a central node. It may be server or a hub. See, it's your choice, either server or you can say a central hub, to which all other nodes are connected by a single path. It is used in most existing information networks. So, ring topology. See, जैसे रिंग होती है, चूड़ी होती है, इस तरह बिल्कुल एक सर्कल में कंप्यूटर्स अटैच्ड हैं. In it, each node is connected to two and only two neighboring nodes. Means first one is connected to the second one to the third one. We can say the last one to the first one. एक रिंग की फॉर्मेट में ही है. ठीक है. डेटा ट्रेवल्स either clockwise और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. अब आते हैं हम नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस. कई सारे नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस हैं. हमारे कोर्स में मेनली मोडम है. मोडम को ज़्यादा अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करना है, बाकी हम एक एक लाइन में हम कवर करेंगे. फर्स्ट नेटवर्क डिवाइस या कनेक्टिंग डिवाइस है मोडम. मोडम स्टैंड्स फॉर मोडुलेटर डीमोडुलेटर. इट इज़ ए कंप्यूटर peripheral that allows us to connect and communicate with other computers via telephone lines. It transforms a digital bit stream into an analog signal, modulation and vice versa demodulation. See, modulation means conversion of digital signals into analog signals, and demodulation means conversion of analog signals into digital signals. See, at the source computer, data is in digital form that is converted into analog using modulator, and that analog signals are getting transmitted to from source to destination computer, and at destination computer again received analog signals are again transmitted into are converted into digital signals, that is demodulation. See, there are two types of modems, internal modem and external modem. So it's not in our course, but we will discuss it very shortly. Internal modem is fixed within the computer, and in external modem is connected externally to the computer as other peripherals are connected. External modem को हम डेटा कार्ड या नेट सेटर या डोंगल भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट आता है स्विच. It is a device that is used to segment networks into different subnetworks called subnets or LAN segments. Next is gateway. It is a device that is used to connect different types of networks and perform the necessary translation so that the connected networks can communicate properly. RJ45 connector. It is an 8-wire connector which is commonly used to connect computers on the LANs, especially Ethernets. नेक्स्ट है इथरनेट कार्ड, जिसे NIC भी बोलते हैं, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड या नेटवर्क अडेप्टर भी बोलते हैं. इथरनेट कार्ड या NIC, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड या फिर नेटवर्क अडेप्टर. इट इज़ ए डिवाइस दैट enables a computer to connect to a network and communicate. Nowadays, in most of the PCs, personal computers, and in the laptops, it is an internal part of the motherboard. होता है ऑलरेडी उसमें, है ना. Hub. Next is hub. It is a hardware device used to connect several computers together. See, hub आपको बताया था hub कहाँ यूज़ हो रहा है, स्टार टोपोलॉजी में भी यूज़ हो रहा था. Repeater. It is next is repeater. It is device that amplifies a signal being transmitted on the network. Router. It is device that works like a bridge but can handle different protocols. Wi-Fi card. It is a small portable card that allow other computer to connect to the internet through a wireless network. Bridge. It is a device that links two networks together. Now we will discuss about components of network. See, this is very important question. Components of a network. Components of network. Servers, clients, channels, network operating system, interface devices. 5 चीज़ें इसमें आती हैं. Servers, clients, channels, network operating system और interface devices. Servers क्या है? Servers, first point, servers. These are powerful host computers that store data and execute applications. Clients, these are computers connected to the server that use the network and shared resources. Channels, these are circuits or pathways connecting networks through which different interconnected computers share the information. Network operating system, it is the operating system software on the server. Network interface devices, these connect server and clients. These include NICs, network interface cards and modem. अब बात करते हैं हम OSI रेफरेंस मॉडल। OSI की फुल फॉर्म है ओपन सिस्टम इंटरकनेक्शन। ये कोर्स में नहीं है इतना, बस इसमें इतना ही ध्यान रखें कि फुल फॉर्म क्या है। इसके साथ लेयर्स हैं वो भी अभी करने की जरूरत नहीं है। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, also known as WWW or W3 or web. It is a set of programs, standards and protocols that allows the multimedia and hypertext files to be created, displayed and linked on the internet. अब आते हैं हम इसमें और भी कई टॉपिक हैं, जैसे कि IM आपने सुना होगा, इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग। IM है इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग। It refers to sending messages online to people whom we are connected with and the message gets delivered in real time, that is instantly. जैसे इसके फीचर्स हैं send and receive messages instantly, send and receive documents, share media files such as images, gifts, audio or video files, make audio calls, make video calls. इसके advantages हैं it's instant, तुरंत भेजते हैं, it's great for quick messages और नोटिफिकेशंस एक्सेट्रा। तो IM सर्विसेज जो हैं वो हैं जैसे गूगल हैंगआउट्स है, फेसबुक मैसेंजर है, स्काइप है, व्हाट्सएप है, टेलीग्राम है, पिडगिन है, एज्यूम है। तो आपने व्हाट्सएप तो यूज़ किया ही है, फेसबुक मैसेंजर आप यूज़ करते हो, तो ये सारा IM में आता है, इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग। अब आते हैं ब्लॉग। 3 डेफिनेशन है, ध्यान रखें, ब्लॉगिंग, ब्लॉगर और पोस्ट। ये तीनों चीज़ें क्या है, ब्लॉगिंग क्या है, ब्लॉगर क्या है और पोस्ट क्या है। ब्लॉगिंग क्या है, या उससे पहले ब्लॉग क्या है, ब्लॉग, ब्लॉगिंग, ब्लॉगर, पोस्ट, 4 डेफिनेशंस। ब्लॉग, इट इज़ एन ऑनलाइन जर्नल वेयर एंट्रीज आर पोस्टेड। ब्लॉगिंग है, इट इज़ द एक्ट ऑफ राइटिंग पोस्ट ऑन ब्लॉग। ब्लॉगर, इट इज़ द पर्सन हु डज ब्लॉगिंग। और पोस्ट क्या है, इट इज़ द एंट्री और इन्फॉर्मेशन इन द ब्लॉग। ध्यान दें, टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लॉग्स में आता है पर्सनल ब्लॉग, न्यूज़ एंड व्यूज़, कंपनी ब्लॉग्स या माइक्रो ब्लॉग्स। ठीक है, अब हम बात करते हैं पॉपुलर फ्री ब्लॉगिंग साइट्स की। ये क्वेश्चन आया था पिछले साल भी। blogger.com, wordpress.com, typepad.com, livejournal.com, blog.com, weebly.com, websum.com, tumblr.com, fix.com, joomla.com, medium.com, ghost.com। ये सारे इसके पॉपुलर फ्री ब्लॉगिंग साइट्स हैं। अब आता है ऑफलाइन ब्लॉग एडिटर। इट इज़ एन एडिटर दैट लेट्स ब्लॉगर्स क्रिएट ब्लॉग पोस्ट विदाउट एनी इंटरनेट connection. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.